With electric vehicles hitting the streets at record numbers and gas-based vehicles being phased out completely by 2035. The revolution for eco-friendly electric vehicles is coming fast, and the need for infrastructure is huge. That's why one of North America's fastest-growing companies, Lightenco, decided to start a new division focused on electric vehicle charging. Chargenco is at the forefront of ensuring that futuristic electric vehicle charging stations are available throughout Canada. We offer fully turnkey solutions to install electric vehicle charging systems, EVCS, for commercial and residential clients. So, if you own, manage, or even build condominiums, hotels, multi-residential buildings, commercial buildings, industrial buildings, shopping plazas, stores, or have a suitable location with vehicle traffic or parking spaces, Chargenco can design and install electric vehicle infrastructure for your buildings, which will maximize available building power while staying within recommended guidelines. What's more, as part of our service, we also procure government grants covering up to 50% of the project cost. Chargenco will install networked EV chargers with software that allows for proper sharing and includes a full payment system to collect revenues from EV charging and pay out to you. Our service includes all electrical work and permits necessary to commission systems to code. Safety is a main concern due to the potential for overloading building electrical equipment. EVCS solutions need to be done right from the beginning. And many solutions on the market may leave you underutilizing your building's available power, and no one likes to wake up in the morning with little to no range for their EV. Chargenco ensures everything is done correctly the first time and considers the long-term implications in terms of building power availability, so you and future users get the highest possible charge. Best of all, Chargenco's solution is custom-tailored for each building, and we also offer a host of solutions to help you reduce energy consumption and operating costs via lighting retrofits, solar solutions, and other clean, sustainable technologies. Contact us today for a no-cost consultation.